Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to the channel. So, guys, today we are going to create another budget-friendly and easy fall DIY using paint sticks. Let's go. Well, hello, guys. As you can see, I have some gallon-sized paint sticks from Walmart. I have mixed up a mixture of orange paint using some of that orange acrylic paint from Dollar Tree. I have some craft sticks here that I am using to cut down to make my crossbar for my what's going to be a fall ladder. And guys, pay attention to the color of these paint sticks because it's going to change. And now I am just sizing it up. No rhyme or reason, no real measurement here. Creating my crossbars, and I cannot wait for you guys to see the outcome for this. And now I am just getting my pumpkins because yes, we're going to use pumpkins to style this ladder. Guys, I want to welcome everybody back to the channel, my new and returning subscribers. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. Now back to the video. As you can see, I've changed the color to the plaster color paint by Waverly, and I'm using some of that acrylic brown paint to distress my ladder. Now I have my pumpkins. What I'm going to do is I'm going to paint one in orange, one in yellow, one in green, and one in brown. Guys, I pray that you all are having a great day. Thank you all for your support of my channel. Thank you for watching my videos from beginning to end. Thank you for all of you who are sharing my videos and just interacting with me in the comments. I really appreciate it. And now you see that I am gluing down my pumpkins and attaching them to each crossbar. And I went lighter, darker, lighter, darker. I have some of these poster board stickers, and I am spelling the word fall. So F on one, A-L-L on the others. Making sure that it's secure. And now, of course, Joy is going to incorporate her some jute somewhere. So now I am making me some jute twine bows using some of the twine from the Dollar Tree. All in all, this project from start to finish costs less than $2 to make. And it turned out super cute. Of course, I am burning the frays off of the rope. Again, guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. Also, I did upload a cute video of my fall tree on yesterday. So I will link that video just inside of the description of this video. Also, guys, I want to make you aware that on August 8th, beginning at 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will be participating in a cottagecore collaboration with my sweet friend Loli over at Loli D's Creation, as well as Lady Red's Crafting. So guys, make sure you support our collaboration. Make sure you have subscribed to their channels as well as my channel. And as you can see here, I am just putting a hanger on the back of this ladder, and we are now at the reveal. Guys, look how cute this turned out. I think it turned out so cute, and it would be very pretty styled in your fall space if you are using the traditional colors. And just think, this project was made for under $2. Look at it. It is so, so pretty. Guys, you got to let me know what you think about this project. Again, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And until the next DIY, bye for now.